Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Enfamil Vitamin D drops. First, find your bottle and check that the tamper-evident seal is unbroken. To open it, simply twist the cap counterclockwise. You will feel the seal break with a slight pop. Once it's loose, remove the cap entirely to reveal the dropper inside. This ensures the product is ready for its first use, making the process straightforward and safe. Now that the bottle is open, let's prepare the dropper. Gently squeeze the rubber bulb at the top of the dropper to push out any air. Then, carefully insert the tip of the dropper into the liquid vitamin D. Slowly release the bulb, allowing the dropper to fill with the precise amount needed for your little one. This method ensures accurate dosing. Administering the dose is simple. Place one single drop directly onto the nipple of a bottle, a clean finger, or a pacifier. It's crucial to ensure your baby consumes the entire drop right away. Remember, never put the dropper directly into your baby's mouth to avoid contamination and ensure proper hygiene. This keeps the process safe and effective. After each use, make sure to replace the cap tightly on the bottle to keep the vitamin D fresh and potent. Store the bottle upright at a comfortable room temperature, away from any direct sunlight or extreme heat. Always remember to consult your pediatrician for specific dosage recommendations tailored to your baby's individual needs. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.